Vastu tips for living room. Where to place furniture as per Vastu in the living room. The furniture should be placed in the west or south direction. The furniture such as showcase or heavy articles etc. should be in the south or west direction. It should be rectangular or square, not in an oval, circular or odd shape. Television, AC and telephone place according to Vastu. TV should be placed in a southeast direction. Living room Vastu opposes to place TV in northeast or southwest corner. Cooler or AC should be placed in the west or north direction. Avoid AC or cooler in southeast and northwest. Telephone should be placed in east, north or southeast. It should not be in the southwest or northwest corners. Aquarium placement is per Vastu directions. Aquariums are beneficial to place in the north, east, and northeast of the living room. The faults related to the northwest corner can be corrected by putting an aquarium. Avoid aquarium in the south direction as it draws out positive energies from the house. Painting and pictures according to Vastu. The use of paint can create a pleasant environment in the room. Painting of waterfall, the rising sun provides positive energy. Avoid paintings that symbolize death, violence, and negative aspects of life. Vastu color scheme. The color of the wall in the living room should be white, yellow, blue, or green. Prefer light colors over dark colors. Avoid black and red color in the living room. Vos2 and Lighting. The lighting of the living room should be bright. If the chandelier is in the living room, it should be slightly towards the west, not at the center of the room. Vastu for doors and windows. The door of the living room should be in the east or north direction because doors are very auspicious in these directions. There should not be a photograph of any god in the living room or at the entrance door. Windows in the east and north are beneficial. Vastu tips for living room. The east and north are the best directions for the living room. The furniture should be square or rectangular. Air conditioner or cooler should be placed in the west direction, not in the southeast. Portraits of women, animals, birds, scenes of war should never be displayed in the living room. The sitting arrangement for the head of the family should be in the east or north direction. A painting showing depression should not be placed on a wall. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.